Kanye West Donda listening event breaks Apple streaming record. So it wasn't just a live event. You could listen alongside on Apple Music.
Yes.
Live.
And you can't watch it back. It's kind of like a one-time deal.
Except for all the people that re-uploaded
Exactly,
it.
yeah.
Yeah. So wait a sec. So the visuals that Apple would have had in their streaming event are different than what we saw uploaded to YouTube?
No, it's the same.
Oh, okay. It's the same thing.
It's just Kanye walking around Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
Right. They didn't have
for
any
like
extra
45 minutes.
material in there because I didn't obviously watch the event and I've only seen clips here and there. But some of them are just people in the crowd.
Yeah.
That are so it's hard to know what's what. But yeah, you're right. It is Kanye in a all red outfit with a mask on, walking around the middle of the stadium, which I understand he's still living in that stadium as of right now.
Yeah, he's living in one of those little tiny rooms.
You should show the picture of it.
No window.
It's on his Instagram.
Is it?
If you go to Kanye West Instagram, but I don't understand the point of living in the stadium.
He wants to finish Donda.
But why there?
His
Can
next
he
album.
finish it anywhere? Or does he like hearing it in the stadium as he's
Maybe.
referencing it? Maybe. Yeah. So anyway, that's the room supposedly he's staying. He just posted a picture of the room. Didn't really caption it in any way. But it is quite a simple setup.
It's like a mini locker room?
A change room. Yeah. It has a TV in it. There's no windows. It looks clean, though. It's a relatively new stadium, as far as I know. Yeah, what can I say? It's really weird because you have the whole record leak, but then he's living there until it's finished. So how much change can really take place from what is leaked and what is out there? It's all...
Yeah, we listened to it.
It's all very curious. Well, speak for yourself, because I would not. I do not listen to leaked records.
It was on YouTube.
Speak for yourself. I do not participate in that.
Yeah. Blasting it.
No, speak. Well, speak for yourself, man.
All right.
Anyway, it's an anticipated project. I guess they're holding off until August 6th at this point. But many people got to experience listening to whatever version of it was available earlier. I don't know if it will change or stay exactly the same between now and August 6th. But you had a packed house there in Atlanta, and you had, what was the streaming record given the headline there? What was the record for a
3.3 million.
So it's a Apple Music global live stream record. That's interesting. I guess I don't know how much of that they do on Apple Music, but there you have it. We have a record now that others can attempt to beat if they choose to do something exclusive like this.
And there's some previous records.
A versus battle earlier last year, Gucci Mane and Jeezy. Well, I have to think if artists drop their albums in this fashion with these listening party live streams, I would think you're going to see some big numbers start to pop up if others employ similar tactics.
Yeah, I mean, we talked about it. It might as well be a concert at that point.
It sure seemed like it, but then you question, does it even need to be, like, I don't know. What is the difference? He's marching around there. You're in the same building.
Exactly.
He's previewing his record. I'm sure he's singing along at different points.
Maybe it's cheaper.
It's all getting fuzzy.
Yeah.
It's all getting fuzzy.